Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get around YouTube TV location restrictions. So I have some of the fixes that you can try to bypass the YouTube TV location restrictions problem. For that, first of all, you will have to come on YouTube TV, and here you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on your profile icon that would be in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you need to go in your settings. Now in your settings you will see this area section, so you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on area. Over here you need to click on the update option, and from here you can simply click on the update location option. Now once you click on update location, you will see a pop-up in front of you where you will have to allow your location, and then once it get your location you are going to view the live TV shows based on your area. So this is the first step, that you need to update your location on YouTube TV. Now on your device you need to make sure that the location services are also turned on. So for mobile you can go into your settings, and then you just have to simply allow the locations for YouTube TV. And if you are browsing it in your web browser, you just have to simply allow the pop-up when you click on the update option. Now if you are outside of your home area, and if you use a trusted VPN, you can set it to your registered location, and then you can restart your YouTube TV and you are also good to go. So in order to get around of the YouTube TV location restrictions, in my opinion, one of the best options that you can try is using a reliable VPN. I will also try to put the best VPN links down in the description, so make sure you check that out, the deal. So these are some of the methods that you can try to fix this issue. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.